Look, as a man, there's certain tips that they should be in your back pocket. You should know how to deploy these on the instant. And yes, your daddy should have taught you this, but since he didn't, your older brother will. Here are 7 guy tips every dude should know. Let's hop into it. Number 1, know how to run the bad breath test. Sometimes it's happened to you. I know you'll be in a situation and you'll think, man, is it me or is it him? It probably is you. And the way to test, grab your wrist. I want you to lick your wrist 2 to 3 times. Then let it sit there for a few seconds and then take a whiff. That putrid smell you just smelled, that is exactly what other people are smelling every time you talk or exhale. Boys, bad breath will ruin any situation, whether it's a business deal or you're trying to engage with the girl. This is why an oral routine is so important, and it only takes 3 steps. Bro, brush for 2 minutes every time, floss, and then mouthwash. You do this every night, you're good to go. Number 2, every guy should have a 3-step skincare routine. Look, you have to play to your strengths, and if you feel you were not blessed with genetics, don't just give up in every other category, especially in the category of your personal hygiene that you have complete control over. So for example, your face. If your face is always oily, dry, filled with acne, or has other skin imperfections, it's always gonna look less than or not as attractive as if the same dude that actually takes care of their skin and has flawless skin. And the only way to achieve this is by having a specific skincare routine for you. Number 3, if she's coming over, you gotta tidy up. This means dust, vacuum mop, fold your clothes, wash your sheets and your towel, replace that dusty toothbrush. I want you to clean the bathroom, including scrubbing down the toilet. I don't wanna see piss stains all over, and neither does she. I'm telling you, women have stories on top of stories of times that they visited guys' apartments and it looks like they're still 18 years old. See, you just doing this automatically puts you in the top 20% in her head. Number 4, I want you to take it slow. Enjoy it more. And this rule literally applies to everything in life. Everything. See, too many guys, they want to go fast and hard. And if you don't get where I'm going here, you will soon, my young buck. The point is, you want to take things slow. Literally in everything in life here. And enjoy the process, whether we're talking about you know what, or even setting goals and achieving your dreams. Everything in life, you want to take it slow and enjoy the process. Number 5, never go to the grocery store hungry. See, once you're an adult, now you're going to have to do your own grocery store runs. Your mama ain't doing that for you. And the worst mistake you can ever do is doing it hungry. What you're going to notice is you're going to spend 2 to 3x more money because you're so hungry, everything on the shelves just looks appealing. So on top of spending more money, you can also be eating at a caloric deficit, which is going to increase your fat storages. See, the best thing to do is always eat and then go to the grocery store so you only shop and replenish what you need. Number 6, a sane 7 is always better than a crazy 10. Look, everybody wants to be with the hot chick, but a materialistic girl that's only with you depending on what you give her will literally leave you broke. So if you're down to 2 options, you're trying to figure who to settle down with, obviously the sane 7 will always be it. But if you're lucky enough that you find an 8, 9, 10 that's also a sane, 1 that's a unicorn, and 2, you should marry that girl. And finally, number 7, confidence is key to everything in life. It is the key to how many girls you'll be able to pull, how much money you'll be able to make, how many friends you'll be able to have, how easily you'll be able to lead, even how good you're gonna look. See, confidence is literally the key to your life, and it's pretty much gonna increase your quality of life across the board. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 guy rules every dude needs to know. That's it for your boy. See you next time.